Good evening, Dr. Mark. Today let's talk about critical thinking, the chapter one about the foundation of argument. We have an outline about the introduction and the definition for argument, the strategy of an argument. Introduction. Who is a critical thinker? When do you need to be a critical thinker or one of them? A critical thinker is a strike of argument and make it clear for people for conversation between us. A critical thinking recording and issue to understand the definition for conclusion. Critical thinking use structure of argument to make it thoughtful discussion. Why is the critical thinking important? Is very important to take knowledge from to people and make it clearer as they ask. And critical thinking tell us about how understand it and if evaluating the information. We were told about the argument is actually when you say the argument, people is hear about he think usually about the conversation between two people or more than two people. So it's not the right way to think like this, but it's right actually. Here we'll talk about the strategy of an argument. Stra- uh, Strategy of an argument is a main of our argument or discuss how to be and should not be a factory, but programs. Our definition for argument is the right way uh, to take the definition or to understand the argument very well. Not like a people who always think the argument that mean is the win always in the conversation. No, the right way is to understand the word or understand the meaning, the definition if you lose or if you accept the benefit for the definition. And thank you for listening.